Hey there, humanoids. Mr. Nooks and Crannies here. Today we are at Universal Orlando Resort, starting our adventure at Portofino Bay, and heading over to Universal Studios for Halloween Horror Nights 33. So why don't you grab a bag of candy and head right this way. You know what they say, it's always gonna be a good day when you're walking through the archway.
Oh my god, I'm like... definitely gotta come back at night. I know. Did you get it? Behind you the whole time.
Oh, yeah, I missed it.
Breathing on your neck.
I missed it.
Turn around and get scared.
Oh, this guy's in a bad way. You don't think he's gonna make it? Oh. Oh, God. Oh, what kind of freak show is that, man? Let's catch more daylight.
Like, oh boy, here we go. It's me.
This guy. Oh man, I caught the wrong boat to China, my friend. Wrong boat indeed. Oh Lord, they're blocking our way almost. Hungry, filthy zombies of the bayou. She wants to eat your baby. She's trying to eat your baby.
Part of me wants to try to scare him back. But I can say, no, don't be.
Yeah, come on, man. Oh. Oh no, he in a bad way. That gator done bit him in his ass. Oh man. Lordy be. He was fitting to make a name off here for himself. Alright, we got a Blumhouse photo op here with Freaky, Happy Death Day, Purge, Insidious, and Tika. Right. Before night falls here on Halloween Horror Nights, you can sense the death and destruction that's on its way. And you know what's the worst part about it, Miss Amy?
What?
Capitalism! Right here in the back of the Halloween Horror Nights bar across from Mel's Die-In, we got some characters out that allow you to take selfies and such instead of stopping them in the houses or trying to stop them in the house. That's from Goblin's Feast. This is called the Torture Faire. This weird bird creature. There's the punk rocker, the unofficial icon of the event. Yeah. Get it. Get it. Oh. Taking a swipe at me. Oh, hey! Oh, come on now.
Walk on the stairs and
It's like, it's so hot.
Fried me. The actual black phone. Ooh. I don't think they let you.
Somebody picked it up.
Try to. Oh, can you? Ooh, freaky. Bye-bye.
That's scary.
Yeah, right? Ooh. Ah, that's not very nice. It's that guy coming at me, I'm sure. Yeah.
Hey, what's up, kid?
Oh.
My phone is walking over.
Oh.
They didn't switch out Megan.
Did I?
Saw her walking. Yeah.
Here comes the fresh cast. What do you think about it?
Maybe they'll go straight to their.
Showtime?
Yeah.
Well, here we go. Having a hell of a time.
Right behind you.
Woo!
Again, there was somebody walking right behind you. I just did it all myself. Say hi to her and get her next side, Fred. Now he's here with any person. I stayed it all myself.
Can we get our team member discount here?
No, but everything is half off.
Hell no! I don't think that means what I think it means.
Trust me, it doesn't mean.
Oh,
Have fun out
man.
Well, it is. Have fun. That guy jumped out.
I know, he scared the ass out of him last time.
Wait.
Wait until somebody jump on it. Oh no. Oh, they ain't quite worked out. Look at that dude. Oh no. Come on, man. Come on. Oh, Lord. You got your turkey leg in your mouth? Oh, brother. Done you wrong. All right, what we serving up here, man? Can I get a plate? Can I get a plate? Let me get my team member discount. That looks delicious. Oh my God! That don't look delicious at all. That's horrible. What are you doing? What are you doing? Oh man, that's horrible. All right, I'm gonna pass on the plate. I'm gonna pass. Oh, I need a pickle.
My God. God, it smells.
Like human flesh burning. Burning flesh. Ooh. There's that guy. Hey, nobody gets out alive around here.
They're up on their thing.
It's
I'm gonna go see.
breaking wheel. There's that guy.
Tis a torturous fare indeed. The echoing cries of the weak, the unforgiving thighs of steel, the ripping of flesh from bone will satiate my undying.
That's going to do it for today's adventure. I'm Mr. Nooks and Crannies saying Halloween is here, whether you like it or not. Hit like and subscribe and tell a friend. We'll see you next time, humanoids. All right, this is how our Stay Puft Marshmallow Man turned out. Pretty good. We've seen some pretty awful looking ones on the internet. So there's the corn dog. And Caracas. Juice. Get our Ghostbusters on.